Hello and welcome to the 100 Day Art Challenge. This video is number 73 of 100, and for this mini series within the challenge is a set of 3 digital sketches. So yesterday's video, I will leave a link in the top right hand corner of the screen now, and I uploaded them out of order. And I explained this in the first video. The one which I uploaded yesterday was actually the 3rd digital sketch that I made. And this one, chronologically, is the first that I made. The reason I did that is that they're so different that I wanted them to be side by side, instead of uploading 2 that were similar in a way, and then have a 3rd that was quite different. I wanted you to see that contrast straight away for anyone who's been following the challenge. So for yesterday's video, I started with a sort of beige wash, textured beige wash, and I really went fast with the mark making. With this video, as you can see, I've started with a textured green wash and not covered the whole background, so there's still some white in there. And I'm going very slow with this same texture brush but a different colour. This is quite a different approach than what I took yesterday. Not yesterday, but in the 3rd piece, I should say, the one which I uploaded yesterday. You can see that I'm keeping this textured brush, but I've changed the colour a couple of times. I've got a fresher green, almost blue greens, and then I've got another blue green that's quite dark. But I'm keeping this texture because I really do enjoy this brush, and I'm trying to think about what's on the screen and how all of the shapes that I make can intersect and interlock with each other to create something together and make something which is going to add to the overall piece. But there's a lot of thought going into all of these marks, and that's what wasn't included in yesterday's video. And that's what I like talking about, was that it was very impulsive, the piece that I made yesterday, and I really liked it because it had lots of energy. And these will have energy too, these next 2 videos, this one and tomorrow's, but very different, and it's a very different result. And it will be the result of this approach where I'm being careful, I'm thinking about all of the marks, what they look like, and what will happen to them when I make the next decision. So certain things that I do, I will undo in this video, or I will erase parts of what I've done. And in the 3rd video, the one which I uploaded yesterday, I didn't do any of that at all. It was just very haphazard. And I think that I've learnt quite a bit just from these 3 videos, and I'm hoping to do more because I do enjoy abstraction, and I am hoping to use these videos for a reason, but I will reveal that in the 3rd video. I will show you what the purpose of this triple sketch of abstract pieces is about, what it's for, or at least what it's leading towards. But for now, it's just a strange idea that I thought I would do as part of the challenge. This daily art challenge has been enjoyable for me because I've been moving from one medium to the next. I did a series of oil pastel portraits, I did a mixed media piece at the beginning, I've done several watercolour pieces, I've done oil painting, a little bit of acrylic, I've done some pencil portraits, I've done a little bit of ink, and I am now in my digital stage, but only for a few pieces. I did do a digital sketch earlier on. I think it was my return of uploading the videos, because when I first started the challenge I uploaded 2 videos and then became too busy with work. So I would be making the daily challenge videos, but I wouldn't be uploading them to YouTube because I wouldn't be editing them, I'd just be filming them and making the work. And then when I started uploading them, I started from a digital sketch that I did, which was figurative. Well, it was from imagination, but it was of a person. So you can see there I added something with this light colour, this almost a flesh tone colour, and I keep removing it. I add it and remove it and add it and remove it, and now I've just found a place where I like it smaller, more transparent or semi-transparent, and in little hooked shapes and almost arrow shapes. Very different to what I did yesterday, but I really enjoy it, and I think that with this little flesh tone tips here, these little points in the sketch, it really adds to the whole piece. But this is what I made. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.